Hey guys, it's Marianne, the Frugal Chef. Today we're gonna make keto maple syrup. We're gonna use maple extract and a little xanthan gum to thicken it. If you buy this at the store, it's really expensive. It's not that expensive when you make it at home. If you really, really want that for your pancakes or your bacon or even to make desserts. So, before we do anything, if you would subscribe and turn on the notification button, I'd really appreciate it. Let's make this. These are the things we're gonna use for our maple syrup. We're going to use Swerve brown sugar. You can use any other sugar replacement that you want. This one works very well. You can also use monk fruit. They do have the golden, that'll work as well. I'm going to put a link at the bottom with the description where you can purchase these through Amazon if you'd like. If you do, I get a small commission and that helps me so I can continue making videos for you guys. We're going to also use xanthan gum and we're gonna use it to thicken our syrup. I'm going to add butter extract to my maple syrup. That is absolutely optional, but I like mine kind of buttery, so I'm adding this. And very importantly, we're going to use maple extract. This is not expensive, guys. I got it at Amazon, I think for $4 or something. But if you compare the price of a store-bought maple syrup that is, keto, it is super expensive. This is not, because this will last you for a while. First thing we're gonna do is dissolve half a teaspoon of that xanthan gum and half a cup of hot water in here. You can see it's already like a gel, and don't worry too much about the pieces that did not get dissolved. They will dissolve in the pot while we finish this, okay? All right, we're putting half a cup of water in here. And we're gonna add the sweetener, and we're going to stir this until it is all dissolved. I'm gonna add a tablespoon and a half of the maple extract. And 1 teaspoon of the butter extract. You could use vanilla also instead of that, by the way. We're gonna start adding our xanthan gum so that this thickens. I don't wanna dump the whole thing in there, so I don't want it to become a big blob. So I'm just gonna put a little bit at a time until I get it to where I want it. All right, I added the whole thing. Now we're going to make sure this is all nicely mixed in and incorporated. And guys, that's as thick as I want it, so I am taking it off the heat. It looks like maple syrup. Let's see if it tastes like it. So let's taste this. It tastes like maple, that's for sure. It does have an aftertaste like all of these things with sweetener do. But oh my gosh, I'll take it. Great for pancakes. In fact, tomorrow we'll make pancakes and eat it with this, okay? Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.